Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It is, I don't understand the weather on this computer. It is moderate air outside. It is moderate air right now. We've got Frank in the chat. Lima Dave, Frank, Dark Bro, Moji, Nick F. Good morning, Pudgy. What's going on, man? Dark Bro, Keith, Pudgy. We've got Dark Bro, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, Arthur. We've got Miguel. I see your name there. Simonino, what's going on? Buenos dias, my Juana. Buenos dias, my Juana. How are you today, Juana? Hopefully you're doing great, because I'm actually having a good day so far today. Outdo Bro, what's going on, man? 11 and Simon, we got Old Rounder, Dark Bro, Notos, Hemi Life. We've got Dark Bro, Notos, Peter, Notos, 775, Notos, Dark Bro. We've got AMC Stock Mafia, D's, PS5, all of you guys. What's happening? Hopefully you're having a good day so far. Can't log into YouTube on computer. Pudgy, what's going on, man? YouTube doesn't like you either. YouTube doesn't like anybody. Let's see what the market's doing right now. AMC throwing a couple green lines on the chart right there. 769 at the moment. Moving, that's a pretty strong move. 40, almost 40 cents, 42 cents. In, sorry, in a 2-minute period there. And we got Shiba Inu coin coming down a little bit right now, 0.17% higher on the day. GameStop sitting 0.76% higher on the day. Bitcoin seems like it might be on its way down at the moment, moving off those 16.4s to 16.3s. The Nasdaq up third of a percent right now, 0.35% higher. And coming down over the last 10-15 minutes or so. Biora Therapeutics sitting at 23.94 cents. AMC sitting at 7.68. Ethereum up, but on its way down. Shiba up, but on its way down. Dogecoin up, but on its way down. Bitcoin up, but on its way down. Sundial sitting at 256. Mullen Auto 20 cents, down 8% today. Did it tap 20? Did not tap 20. Frank, are you getting in Mullen, man? Are you getting in Mullen at 20 cents? Or what are your thoughts there? This is crazy, man. This stock is crazy. This stock is nuts. 20 cents per share. Like, if this is a legitimate company that makes electric vehicles, 20 cents a share. CEI sitting at 10 cents a share. What is going on, man? CEI was like $3, was it? CEI was $4.85, and it's 10 cents a share right now. Dude, it is wild stuff. SPY sitting at $400.31. PBIG 70 cents. Highcroft Mining 75 cents. Netflix 286. Terra Luna Classic 15.9. Terra Luna Classic actually doesn't have a bad price on it right now. QQQ sitting at 286, and Ape sitting at $1.12. My gosh, dude. $1.12 on Ape. Holy moly, man. What kind of nonsense are we running into? Told to come check you out. Well, you know what, AMC Stock Mafia. Number 1, welcome. Thank you for coming to check us out. Number 2, who told you to come check us out? Appreciate that, man. Shout out to them, too, and shout out to you. Everybody, show AMC Stock Mafia a little bit of a bro welcome here. Thank you, guys. D's Clipper's going to be so happy. Oh, Anna just made his day. I'm telling you, D's, when Juana comes in here, it is a good day. Waiting for the curl back over. Dark Bro, everybody is. I'm here in the background. 775, perfect, man. Dark Bro, Punchy, King Mama, Nick F. D's. 775, nice. King Mama, how you doing, man? Still thinking 750 is the battleground for AMC this week. Yeah, so the market's closed tomorrow, guys. Not much going to happen there. Basically, today's the battleground day because the market closes at 1 p.m., closes early on Friday. And you're not going to have too many traders on Black Friday coming in trying to trade. It's typically a very subdued day. I mean, literally, you could go to work and sleep if you were working with the stock market on Black Friday there. Taking my profits from swing trading and reinvesting into more positions. Very nice, Dark Bro. Best way to do it, man. Keith Cap. Medium is my hoodie size. Boom. Keith, perfect. FYI, I might go to Joann Fabrics and just buy them out. I might go to Joann Fabrics and buy. I actually... Gosh, dude. Look. I gotta figure this out now. This is okay, this is actually a really good question here. Let me see this. dude, come on, man. They need to get a little bit bigger. Oh, that's a youth shirt. I'm like, they need to get a little bit bigger of a guy to put that shirt on there. It's a little crazy. I may have to run down to Joann Fabrics. I'm not gonna lie. They've got doorbusters on these shirts for 4 for $10. And they've got doorbusters on zip-up hoodies for $10. And those are really good deals. Those are really good deals. They're not the highest quality. They're not the highest quality like the three different the tri-blends. They're not the highest quality tri-blend shirts, but nonetheless, there's still some pretty good shirts. They're the ones that I got from when I went last time. And then these hoodies, the $10 zip-up hoodies, can't really beat that either. I may run to Joann Fabrics during the break. I don't know. I may do that. That's too good of a Black Friday deal to pass up, though. It really is. Welcome, AMC Stock Mafia. I like it, dude. Thank you, Dark Bro, for saying welcome to AMC Stock Mafia. My sub said to come see the bro. AMC Stock Mafia. Nice, man. AMC, you get a YouTube channel? Guys, make sure to check out AMC Stock Mafia's YouTube channel if he's got one. Not sure if he's talking about YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, or where, but make sure to check that dude out as well. Yo, bros and broettes, Moji, what's happening, Moji? Bro, I had a dream last night. We all hit it big in 2025. We got together into the biggest party. Dude, I had a dream that Ape hit $1.49. So, Dark Bro, if we're here in 2025, dude, yeah, we might be looking good. I want to ask you guys, though, some of you guys, I know you're into Shiba Inu coin. I'm going to do a little bit of a video on that tonight, but, dude, Shiba Inu coin, Satoshi's wanting to work with the WEF. Wanting to work with the World Economic Forum. What the heck do you think about Shiba Inu coin working with the World Economic Forum? I am of the opinion, no, I don't like it. I don't like the World Economic Forum. If you guys are of the opinion, yes, or if you just want to throw your opinion out there, absolutely, let me know. But, yeah, it's just strange to me. FIRST. Squirrel in my pants. What's going on, Mr. Simon? Glad to have you, dude. Click AMC Stock Mafia. My homie, my teacher. Boom, baby. We got a homie in the chat, baby. Nice. Simon, we got AMC Stock Mafia and Simon in here. Perfect. AMC Stock Mafia, Simon is my teacher. He helps me with my Spanish when it comes to me talking to Juana. I don't know if Juana's listening right now, but Simon, I got you, man. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Nick F. Thanksgiving's tomorrow, you crazy man. But we will not be live streaming tomorrow, guys. Videos tomorrow, yes, but no live streams tomorrow. The market is closed. And obviously, you know, by the time we're doing these live streams, everybody's going to be eating. Everybody's going to be... I guess some of you guys watch football or something. So everybody's going to be busy tomorrow. No worries on that. Should be live streaming this afternoon as scheduled. So we'll check that out. But nonetheless, no live streams tomorrow. So if you want to tell people in here or during the afternoon live stream, if we have one, happy Thanksgiving like Nick F did, please do so because we will not be live tomorrow. I saw that. If FTX is the last exchange to fall, will there be a next one is the question because we are going Bitcoin up right now. No 14K. PS5. So let me see if I understood the question correctly. If FTX is the last exchange to fall, will there be a next one? Well, no. I mean, if FTX is the last exchange to fall, there technically can't be a next one to fall. So, you kind of answer the question in that question right there. I will say this. I do think that we could see some more exchanges fall. I don't know if we'll see Crypto.com or Coinbase or Binance or, you know, I don't know if we'll see these major guys out there fall. I still think there's some shady business going on in the crypto space, okay? I still think that, and let me tell you, okay, the 45 of you guys that have been hanging out here pretty consistently, the 45 to 60 of you that come in and hang out, you're dedicated. You're dedicated to it, to holding, to watching, to whatever it is, all of that stuff. There's some other people, and you've seen them. The 500 people that were in here when Terra Luna Classic was running 2 months ago, they're gone, man. They're gone. They cannot last. And I think that those people will continue to fall off of cryptocurrency as the prices continue to even remain stagnant. Even if this is the bottom, they will still leave because it is stagnant. And when they do, that is really going to hit Coinbase. It is really going to hit Crypto.com. It is really going to hit the transactional revenue, even if these exchanges are legitimate exchanges. So I still think, man, my next level of support is right there at that 12,000 mark. So I do think that 14,000 is a possibility. And I don't even know if it's going to take a catalyst. I don't even know if it's going to take an exchange falling to get it there. It could just take time to get it there. Kind of my thoughts on that. So I don't think the 14,000 is impossible. It's better to be there and not say anything than to not have a seat at the table and no voice. No toast, correct. I do agree with that part if you're not influenced by what is said there. Okay, that's my big thing. If you're going to be sitting at that table, I think it would be very, very difficult to be sitting around those people, right? Well, lack of a better term to say it. I think it's going to be very difficult to be sitting around those people and not be at least influenced by what is being said. It takes a certain level of alpha or sigma to be able to ignore the world's elite in that way. And I guess it depends on who goes, who's representative, and things like that. I think it will be... I don't think it's going to be impossible. If Satoshi comes out and all of a sudden says that, well, this is a great idea because we learned this at the WEF, I think that the vast majority of the Shiba Inu coin army would be like, this is a great idea because we learned this at the WEF. So that's my hang up on it, right? I understand if you're like, what's the word? Oh gosh. If you're very rooted in your beliefs, right? And it doesn't matter who's saying what, if you continue to believe what you believe in, then I completely agree with you 100%. I just don't know who's going to be representing Shiba Inu coin there and whether or not they will or will not be influenced. Happy Easter, everybody. J-Bones, man, it's not Easter. We still got months before that. 1,000 we have for the lotto, something I know I missed on. Are you talking Discord? Are you talking something else? I missed it. I'm looking at an additional 200 MON and 400 CEI Monday from Options Premium. Oh, picking up an additional. Okay, so you're looking at buying an additional 200 Mullen Auto and 400 CEI from Options Premium. Nice, Frank. Dude, Frank, I listen, I don't know much about Mullen. I've never, done any sort of a deep dive into it or anything like that. But I will say this. If they're a legitimate company, dude, 20 cents per share... I think that you can see some massive growth in them over time. I don't know why they've been beaten down the way that they are. Happy Thanksgiving to all the gals and guys. Nice, 775. Click thoughts on AMC. Look, dude, I have not been following very closely what Adam Aaron has been saying recently and all of that stuff. I have been looking into a little bit about this idea that AMC and these hedge funds were shorting AMC tokenized securities through FTX. I don't really buy into that. But, everybody who loves the idea of endless naked shorts loves that idea. I think AMC is turning less into a squeeze play and a little bit more into Adam Aaron is going to trash Ape to potentially build up the balance sheet of AMC and use AMC as a value play at that point. I don't necessarily see AMC short squeezing if you sell 400 million shares of Ape directly to hedge funds. I think that they're going to have more than enough shares to cover whatever they need to cover at that point, man. Appreciate the shout out. No competition on div. Crypto is scary right now. If you buy crypto, cold wallets and stuff, as soon as dude, AMC Stock Mafia, completely agree with that, man. Anybody holding on an exchange, look, at this point of the game, I'm locked up on Voyager, and I've got just enough to trade, okay, on KuCoin. And the strategy right now, I make a little profit trading some Solana or something on KuCoin, and then just swapping that over to a trust wallet. Swapping the profit over to a trust wallet and leaving the amount in there just to trade with and have some fun and keep myself interested in it. And, you know, the more you trade, too, the more you look at the graphs and the more you try to stay in tune to what the prices are doing, it makes you a little bit sharper, too, when you got to answer questions all day long and kind of know where these prices are and things like that. Is YouTube working right now? Gone from 56 people down to 32 people in like the last 3 minutes, and I don't know why it would have dropped off that heavily. Agree on, Mullen. I need to see a car before I buy. Yeah, dude. Look. If they start making cars and selling cars, I think they're gonna do pretty well. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much. Oh, Patrick, man. You have no idea how good that feels. Oh, Nick F. I washed my water bottle, by the way. Nick F. Pat, that tastes so good and so clean. Batman, thank you very much for the super chat. Darren, there are some Mullen car videos on YouTube testing the cars, but don't know how legit those videos are. Yeah, dude, I don't even know how legit the videos I do are sometimes. It's crazy, man. These YouTubers out there, these YouTubers will do anything. It's like those gold digger videos, man. You know that crap's fake. Hey, King Bro, what's going on? King Mamba. Traveling Turtle. What? Traveling Turtle. Did you change your name to Champagne Poppy? From Champagne Poppy? Or are you Traveling Turtle? You got like the same picture, dude. Shiba's dead. If Luna with Burns is slowly dying out, Shiba will die too. Shiba is dead if Luna with Burns is slowly dying out. Listen, the hype will slowly die out. There's some core people, dude, that you know are gonna hold it no matter what, right? And I agree with that. The hype could absolutely die out. Price will sit stagnant, might not do anything, but you got to look at Shiba Inu coin in 2021 and in Terra Luna Classic back in, basically June through September. These coins can die out, right? But as soon as people start to jump on board, as soon as the price starts to move, man, I don't know how you view a 10x gain, but a 10x gain is phenomenal, okay? And we 10x'd in Shiba Inu coin in October. Terra Luna Classic 10x'd in September. If these prices come down any further, the next bull market could absolutely produce much greater than 10x gains. And that's going to be phenomenal, dude. That's going to be... So it could die for a while, but these coins are like zombies, dude. Or they're not that dead. Mullen might be blowing a Nicola... Yeah, dude, that would be... That would be wild, man. That would be... that would be a scammer, and I don't like scammers. Oh, I will say this, though. One of my friends, God, talking about scammers. I'm not gonna sit here on this subject for a very long time, and I don't have any animals, right? But my friend recently adopted a dog from the pound or from a shelter or from somewhere, and trying to be the best dog dad ever now. Got him a bark box. I'm not exactly sure what a bark box is, right? But it's got him a bark box or subscription box or something like that. And some idiot, don't know if it was a boy idiot, a girl idiot, a kid idiot, some idiot walked up onto his porch, stole the box. Dude's working at home, right? During meetings all day, all of this stuff, some idiot walks up onto his porch and steals food, treats, whatever in these bark boxes. So, contacted Bark or whoever sells these Bark boxes, and they took care of him, man. They took care of him. And I'm sure they might have insurance on the packages that they send out, and they'll be able to pull an insurance claim with FedEx or whatever they need to do. But they took care of him. They're going to send him out a new box, and I wanted to let anybody know that out there, because I as bad as the thieves are, I want to give some recognition to those that take care of the problem. And it is not Bark's problem. It's some idiot walked up onto my friend's porch. But they're sending out another box and taking care of it. So if any of you guys were thinking about Bark and getting one of those boxes, I think they did right. Even though they clearly didn't have to. I don't think that they're obligated to send another box out or anything. But, hey, shout out to Bark out there, man, or anybody that's got a Bark box and things like that. Because as much as I hate the thieves, I love to see stuff like that where people are taking care of people and trying to do the right thing. Oh, Steven, man. Yeah, let's look at Cosm. I hope that Cosm is up. A disclaimer, right? My dad and my stepmom and dad have some shares in Cosm, so we'll look at that really quick here. I know it was running this morning up to like 65 cents. But I don't know where it's at right. Okay, 39 cents. It is back down a little bit at the moment. 39 cents from, what was the intraday high here? 66 cents. Falling back down a little bit. So I was looking at this, and we put some lines of resistance on there yesterday, touching basically this previous candle. This is exactly what I did not want to happen. Okay, because they do own shares. But this level of resistance in here, at this 75 cent range, was going to be tough to break. When it ran on this day back in June, it ran and shot right back down. When it ran on this day in August, it ran and shot right back down. It started to run yesterday, didn't know if it was going to break resistance, broke it after hours, and today it ran and it's currently shooting right back down. Now the volume is much greater today than it ever was back in these days. We're talking, it's noon right now, and we've already done 289 million shares in volume. So be careful if you guys are getting into Cosm or Cosmos there, however you want to call it. But COSM doing some crazy 10x gains over the last 2 weeks here, going from 6.5 cents to 66 cents. And I don't know if the fun's over yet or not, but nonetheless, wild volatility in this company here if you guys want to check them out. If you guys are looking for a swing trade play or whatnot, you can absolutely check out Cosm or Cosmos. COSM is the ticker symbol. I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day eating Taco Bells. Who needs billions of dollars? Nobody, actually. Nobody. To be strange, I've posted comments and no reply. Hey, 775, dude, I'll tell you, YouTube is very strange. I don't know if you tried to post a link. I don't know if you tried to post something, but YouTube, I can't see it by the time it comes to Streamlabs. It's already been held. So YouTube does hold a lot of comments for some reason, so please don't think that I'm not trying to read it. Obviously, I'm trying to read every single one. I'm on a 31% short interest. Yeah, dude, Mullen is strange to me, man. Mullen is very strange to me. BCN, come on, Clay. What's your thoughts about it? BCN, is it a stock or a crypto? I can't imagine you're talking about this. Crypto or it's 775? You talking crypto? I'm out. Didn't get my question answered. Heartbroken. Traveling turtle. Calm down, traveling turtle. What was your question? You didn't ask a question. You just said Shiba is dead. If Luna with Burns is slowly dying out, will Shiba die? Oh, will Shiba? I thought you said Shiba will die out too. Oh, you did. Shiba will die out too. You didn't ask a question though. Traveling turtle. Don't leave, man. You did not ask a question. They didn't know what was in the box, probably. Well, dude, that's why they're idiots. They're willing to steal it, and they have no idea what's in it. I mean, dude, what if you ordered a box of baby formula for your kid, man, and they go steal that? They're so dumb, dude. I have zero respect for thieves. I do not care. I don't, like, I don't even care if you guys think that I'm a bad guy for saying that. I have zero respect for thieves. I've been robbed way too many times in my life. Thieves have absolutely nothing. Nope. I don't care what it was, man. I have a bark box. They're great. Gorilla. Perfect, man. I like it. I don't have a bark box, but apparently they are. I use it when my kids get on the phone with my ex. Oh my god. 60 watch 20 seconds. Like, bump up those numbers, guys. Click the like button. What are you doing? Oh, got it. Missed that part. Something. Simon, you may have lagged. I have no idea. Let's see. Shib to a penny. Let's go, fam. The whales are coming and connected dots. I know I do. Crypto Shady. I would love to see Shiba Inu. I don't think Shiba Inu coin's going to a penny anytime soon, right? But hey, maybe if Shiba Inu coin hooks up with the World Economic Forum, like is being proposed, and the Shiba Inu coin becomes the new currency of the world, hey man, we might be at $1 there. They might try to destroy every country, every fiat, every government across the plane, and hook us up with a Shiba Inu coin metaverse. You will live there and you will like it. You will own nothing, but you will like it in the metaverse. However, do you have any news incoming with regards to the Fed and other bullish data incoming? So PS5. Today at 2 p.m., we've got the Federal Reserve minutes being released. Okay, let's take a look at this economic calendar here. So today at 2 p.m., Eastern Time, Federal Reserve minutes are going to be coming out. This could have a decent impact on prices if it reveals with any more clarity what we did or did not know. Okay, let me restate this maybe in a way that's less vague, I guess. So this isn't going to be any new information, these minutes. It's just a transcript of what was going on during the last Federal Reserve meeting. Jerome Powell in his press conference should have revealed all of the information that analysts and reporters deemed necessary. But this could provide some more clarity if they were unsure on some certain issues. And that could provide a positive or negative catalyst to the markets this afternoon. Other than that, I don't see anything coming up anytime soon. I believe the next major catalyst is going to be the inflation rate, whenever the inflation rate comes out. And then again, a couple weeks after that, you're going to have another interest rate decision. The interest rate decision is going to be interesting because inflation is slowing at a pace that the Federal Reserve may be willing to increase interest rates at a lower pace. So it doesn't mean that they're going to be lowering interest rates, but that slowdown may be viewed as good news. I still view it as bad news because it's still increasing interest rates. It's still accomplishing that bad idea. But those are kind of the next catalysts coming up from the Federal Reserve. I think I am, Dark Bro. Oh my gosh, Shib, yes. Turkey Coin is doing well. Gobble it up. Lonnie, I like it, man. Patrick! Clearo! Bark box for his non-existent dog. I'm not going to get a bark box for my non-existent dog. But Patrick, thank you for the bark box for my non-existent dog fund. Absolutely loving it. Hey, let's just start a bark box fund. And then I can get a dog with that fund. It'll be great, man. It'll be great. Pat, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it and loving the new fund, man. New fund, man. Hey, I had that happen to me last year. I took an Amazon box and filled it full of cat crap. And yes, they stole it. Crappy deal for them. Lonnie, good, man. Good. The only thing that would have been... No, can't say that kind of stuff on YouTube. Never mind. Fill it with anything that you want to fill it with, man. Put some fake boxes out there. Sometimes you just gotta bite your tongue, man. Sometimes you gotta bite your tongue because you're not in this room with me and YouTube is transcribing everything that I say. Someone send me $50 PayPal so I can buy a turkey for Thanksgiving. Roulette wheel. Come on over to my house for Thanksgiving, man. I'm gonna have a bunch of people over tomorrow anyway. You come on over here, dude. Come on over here. Do you think the potential railroad strike will crash markets? Lineman Dave. It could, dude, but I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea. I have not seen anything about the railroad strike. I would imagine it would be similar to a trucker strike. So yes, if they shut the railroads down, I know they use railroads to distribute goods. So yes, it could, but I have not seen anything about that yet. But I do think that it could, man. If we can't get goods distributed across the country, that's going to be a major problem. When I have time, or I get around to it, I need to start a non-profit to help take care of the thief. King Mamba, I like it, dude. I like it. Because I don't like thieves. Look, I really don't. If you're thinking about stealing something, just don't do it. Just don't do it. Let's get Clay a dog fund. Ooh, yes. Patrick, thank you very much for the Let's Get Clay a dog fund. I need a dog that I'm not allergic to. I need a dog that I won't sneeze for. I don't want to sneeze. And dogs make me sneeze if I pet them, and they lick me. So I want a dog that had no tongue would be probably a really good dog. That'd be a really good dog. Clay, Belgium versus Canada. Who you got? Belgium. Are we talking soccer? Or are we talking? Is there like a war brewing between Canada and Belgium right now? I'm taking Belgium in that one, man. Several grocery stores are having Uber turkey sales. I got one for 29 cents a pound locally in North Carolina. My gosh, dude. 29 cents a pound is not a bad... Gosh. Dude, could you imagine seeing a nice turkey walk around your backyard right now and knowing, yeah, dude, that bird is only worth like $6. That's kind of sad. It's kind of sad, man. All I gotta say is Cataprot, Dark Bro, nice. So the rest of America is clueless to railroad and transporting on the rail system and commuting. Yeah. I mean, I'm clueless to it, man. I didn't even know there was a railroad strike potentially happening. Clay Bro, I'm not worried about MON and CEI because if you combine the two together, they still only make up 2.05% of my long-term retirement portfolio. Diversification, baby. Frank, nice, dude. That's what I like to see, man. That's what I like to see. Not too worried about either one of them there. I have eight St. Bernard boxer puppies. Dude, those dogs are going to be huge, Keith. Those dogs are going to be huge. Maybe I'll come play with them after the live stream. Let's get Clay a Don't Pump Crap Coin Fund. Yes. I want a Don't Pump Crap Coin Fund because I don't like pumping crap coins. I like pumping good coins, though. Soccer. I think Belgium, too. Nice. All right, Simon. You never know, man. You never know. You wake up, you can see, like, Canada versus Belgium trending on Twitter. Is this a soccer match? Is this a new world war that we've got going on? Like, what's happening today? Patrick, how about a discount roulette wheel? We need a discount. King Turkey in the chat, baby! Patrick, man, thank you very much for the super chat. That's a discounted King Turkey just for you, roulette wheel. Just for you, man. Arthur, for the non-existent dog, GoFundMe, go. For the non-existent dog, GoFundMe fund. That's a good fund, man. That's a good fund. Because one day the dog will be existent. Think about that. Arthur, Patrick, thank you guys very much for the super chats. Y'all hear anything about upcoming regulations for crypto? See, JP Morgan filed a patent for their own wallet or coin. Can't remember. Yeah, so it was a trademark that they filed for their own cryptocurrency wallet and this cryptocurrency division that they've got. JP Morgan does have their own coin, actually. Or I think it's a token. But JP Morgan does have their own token, actually. JPM coin. Let's see if it's actually on CoinMarketCap. It's a stable coin, okay? Probably something so that they think that they can compete with Ripple, XRP. All right. JP Morgan does not seem to be listed on CoinMarketCap, so we're not even going to pull it up. But they do have their own stable coin. I was reading about that yesterday when I did that video. But yeah, dude, they've got their own. They're positioning themselves during this bear market the same way Visa is. I like Canada, but I think Canada has it hard, soccer-wise, against Belgium. Belgians are very good in soccer. Canada is good too, though. Yeah, dude, I honestly, man, I have no idea. I just know that like Brazil's a powerhouse in soccer. I have no idea who's ranking where in the World Cup right now. Thoughts on LUNC proposal 10.936. Nagendra, is that the one that I kind of discussed this morning in the video about the grant proposal? Dude, there's so many proposals out there. I'm not sure which one is which by numbers. So is it Ed's proposal for the grants to distribute $750 million Terra Luna Classic? Had to turn down the volume at Taco Bell. Didn't want others to hear that. Roulette wheel. You should turn the volume up at Taco Bell, man. Let's get some subscribers. Bro, I think I'm getting old. My back is out. I must have slept weird. Yeah, dark, bro. That'll happen, man. You might be getting old, too. Did you see Bitcoin hit the bottom of BTC 15.8.62? Is that correct or not? I haven't gone back since 202. So PS5. I believe Bitcoin hit 15,520 or 15,480. Okay, 15,460. 2 days ago, man, it hit $15,461 right here. Wicking down again and then bouncing back up. Look, dude, what we're seeing right now is just very, very similar to what we saw during this time frame right here. You know, and we might last another 3 months in this area. Falling down and then beginning to channel. We're falling down and then beginning to channel. So I don't know if we're going to bounce back up to that $20,000 range or not. I just know, dude, that if we break through this support in this area, the support's greater today than it was way back when. If you go to 2020, you can see that we only had support in this 15,000 range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11 days in this area right here, bouncing around 15,000. Where are we at right now? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're about 4 days over that resistance area, and we're on our way down. Dude, if it breaks, I think we're touching 12. If it breaks, I think we're touching 12. We've wicked down twice and touched 15,500 and then bounced back a little bit, but that's what we got going on the Bitcoin chart at the moment. Patrick Claybro Allergy Medicine Fund. Patrick, now that actually might be necessary, dude. My allergies are absolutely ridiculous. They're crazy. I can't touch cats. I can't touch dogs. I can't touch these animals, and I want to pet them, but I just can't do it. Patrick, thank you very much. That $2 actually might buy me a Benadryl. I could probably take a Benadryl and fall asleep right now. So what kind of move do you think for the SPY with the notes release, if any? I am playing up and down, a few strikes out, expiration today. We'll see if either hits. Gorilla, gosh, it's so tough to say, man. I actually think that what we could see is a good news release, okay? The only reason I'm saying that, and I could be wrong on this, but the reason I'm saying that is because if we look at the SPY right here, we go out to the daily. The last time, I believe it was in this area, right in here. Could have been in this area. When was the last? This was the inflation rate right here. This jump up right here was the inflation rate. This area or this area was probably the interest rate decision. And the interest rate decision was good news. I don't really remember when the last Federal Reserve press conference was. But it doesn't seem to have been bad news. You know, the market hasn't fallen drastically. The market, I believe, performed nicely during the last Federal Reserve interest rate decision. So the minutes today should confirm that. And if it reaffirms good news, we should see the market move higher. If we've got some release that kind of shows something that wasn't discussed during the Federal Reserve press conference, then we could see bad news. But I am going to guess, and just please know that it's a guess, that it could be a positive release or a positive confirmation of what was viewed as positive news the last time the Federal Reserve had their meeting. So that's kind of where I'm sitting on it. The overall market acting pretty volatile today, moving up about 0.5% here, and back down this afternoon. Maybe going to retest some of these intraday levels of support down in this area around 399. But we'll have to see how that plays out. People could just be taking some bets off the table leading into that release in about an hour and 15 minutes here. But Ape is definitely on sale right now. Any updates on LUNC with the team being on the same page? Seems like two different camps is not a good sign. So, Lonnie, I've not seen anything yet. The latest update I've seen really from the Terra Rebels is that they are going to be asking to be paid for their work now. They have not set forth their proposal yet, but what we're going to be hit with here pretty soon is either pay us or we leave. That's going to be an interesting proposal when it comes. I want to know how much they want to be paid. Wait till Clay has children and he does the king turkey thing in front of their friends. Oh, you better believe that I will, dude. You better believe that I will. Coin, stop. Oh my gosh, BCN is a crypto. BCN, we were talking about that a long time ago. Oh, Bytecoin, dude. I didn't realize that was the ticker for Bytecoin. We just talked about this like 2 days ago. I should sell my Bytecoin that I got. Bytecoin was the very first coin that I mined. Bytecoin is up 27% today. I can almost say that this is single-handedly because we talked about this coin. Like, how many days ago did we talk about this coin? I don't even think it was last week. Yeah. You guys remember talking about this, right? Did very well. It was the very first coin that I mined, and then had a little bit of a bounce back here in 2021 when things were running up and looking pretty well. But currently sitting at a $6 million market cap, and it is up 27% today. Only $18,000. $18,000 in volume, shooting this bad boy up 27% today. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's crazy. $18,000 in volume, shooting it up 27%. Jeez. Yeah, I do. Gosh. I actually think that Bytecoin is on my laptop. I don't even know if I'd be able to sell that. I eat more pills than food. Don't do it, man. Clay is allergic to the word medicine. Facts. And doctors. I'm allergic to the word doctor, too. Can crypto go any lower? Is the crypto winter over, or is there a crypto apocalypse near? No, crypto can go lower, dude. Crypto can go lower. So, a couple things you got to watch out for in the crypto space that we're going to be looking at here in the upcoming days. More exchanges going down. Whether or not Coinbase is holding Grayscale's Bitcoin. I know they claim that they are, but that's causing a lot of problems and uncertainty right now. And then regulation. So regulation flowing in is going to be a very large catalyst, either up or down, for cryptocurrency. All right, guys, got to cut out early and have to finish bagging and getting on the road. Happy Thanksgiving, you glorious bros and broettes. Happy Thanksgiving, Dark Bro. Thank you very much for hanging out with us, man. Dark Bro, enjoy your day, man. I'll take Pudge. You okay? Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for the insight, Clay, bro. Absolutely grilling Invictus. A 200 milligram caffeine. Lisinopril, something. Pudgy. It's a lot of different things, man. I have no idea what all that stuff is. Happy Thanksgiving all. Yeah, 1776. Happy Thanksgiving to you as well. Oh, and a multivitamin. There you go, push. Interest rates will stay the same or gain a little due to OPEC cutting oil production by 2 million barrels. Is it barrels a day? Items for Thanksgiving are still up and turkey prices through the roof. There is your sign. Kenneth, facts, man. 1,000 milligram caffeine and BP medicine is the first thing I do when I stand up in the morning. True story. Did you do that before you even go pee? Push it, can't even pronounce some of those. And you guys heard how I pronounced them, so you know that I can't pronounce them either. Where's the quote, boring plays? Everyone good, ready to eat, then get ripped there. Get that. What? What are you going to be doing out of where? Chris, what are you going to be doing out of where? Happy Thanksgiving. I want to give thanks to Sis Bro. Without her, there would be no merch. 0. None. Facts. Diffie Dog. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Hey, bro. Holistic Medicine Fund. Boom, baby. That's the way to do it, Pat. That's the way to do it. That's the best fund I've seen in a long time, man. Unauthorized hydration. It's okay, though. Patrick sent something. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. And appreciate the new fund that we got there, guys. Sounds perfect to me. Some of the boring plays. Chris, man, some of the boring plays. AT&T is a boring play, right? If you don't know what AT&T looks like, it is a boring play. This is its daily chart. It's been doing okay over the last month or so, bouncing from $14 to $19 per share. But look, man, let's look at a weekly chart, okay? It is down pretty heavy from where it's been, so it might end up being a good buy. But this dividend yield, dude, the dividend's not bad. They paid a dividend here of 28 cents, dividend here of 28 cents, dividend here of 28 cents, dividend here of 52 cents here. So they've cut their dividend a little bit as the stock price has been falling. But a dividend yield, man, 5.85% is not bad at all on AT&T. Waste Management is another boring stock. Waste Management is always going to be trash, dude. This is the weekly chart for Waste Management right here. Nothing sexy, dude, but if you're holding this company for 10 years and you're seeing it go from $20 to $200, maybe even they might split, they might not split, but 10 years from now, it might be at $800 per share. These guys go up seemingly no matter what, dude. Like, this is 2020 right here. Trash services, definitely essential. Just getting hit by the market a little bit with 2020 lockdowns. So Waste Management is another decent long-term potential. And they get a 1.5% dividend that they pay out there. But they continually increase their dividend as well. So you can go back and you can see that they were paying 58 cents, 58 cents, 58 cents, 65 cents, 65 cents. So they continually increase their dividend. Something to look at there. Hershey. Hershey is another one. Dude, look at the weekly chart on Hershey here. I mean, look at the monthly chart on Hershey. These guys basically, this was a tough period. 1990 to 2006 was a tough period. But these guys making massive amounts of money since, dude, the early 80s. Rolling from $1 to $230. Now, that's a long time period, man. That's 40 years. This is a 40-year period. And that's, typically an investment career, a working lifetime, 40 years. So if you could 200x your money over a 40-year period, you've done phenomenally. That's what Hershey got you. With really no major drawdowns, you were just really annoyed for this decade right here. You were just really annoyed. But I'd rather be annoyed with not necessarily making money than annoyed with losing money. So a couple boring plays right there that you can look at if you want. To see that growth. Chris, man, thank you very much. Did Clay just say Waste Management trash? I see what he did there. Divi dog. Chris says, "Hey, I was ready to get poo rich, but since I haven't seen a gain, I'm even more ready. Kind of like a shark." Oh, me too, Chris. Me too, man. I'm ready to go. You guys know I'm ready to go. We're gonna get poo rich. Sounds perfect, Chris. Me and you together, dude. Let's do it. Be propolis, and pollen granules with local honey for seasonal environmental allergens, seropeptase for subsequent mucus issues involving allergies. I don't know what seropeptase is, but yeah, I've heard the local honey thing before. I've actually never tried that. I do have environmental, like I do have pollen allergies and stuff. So the local honey thing might actually help. Joyce finally got here. We'll have to replay it after it's over. Joyce, you don't have to replay it after it's over. Thank you for being in here, though. Pudgy is a walking pharmacy. Yes, he is. Clay, do stuff like the railroad workers strike cause anything to go up or down since they control transporting our goods? Dang, Chris, you're the second guy to ask about that. I actually haven't seen much about this railroad strike. I haven't seen much about it, so I don't know how involved it is. But yes, dude, it would be very similar to... In just thinking about it right now without knowing the details on it, it'd be very similar to like a trucker strike or, you know, a truck driving strike or a shipment strike. If places are unable to get the goods that they need to sell, that's going to cause their earnings to go down. If places are unable to get the goods that they need to sell, we could see some more inflation coming around. Think about it. If you've got less goods available, you have to charge more because of the demand. If the supply is lowered and demand remains the same, the price has to rise. So we could see some more inflation issues because of a railroad strike or potential railroad strike, whatever's going on there. So inflation issues would cause more problems and cause prices to go down in general, not just a company's earnings getting hit. So yes, I don't know the details of the railroad strike, but absolutely it could cause a lot of problems. I don't think that it would cause anything good. I think that it would cause a lot of things bad. I'm overrunning pharmacy. Thank you very much. Nice, Fudgy. My goodness, where are my manners? Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Tastes so good, man. Tastes so good. Patrick, dude, thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Absolutely loving it, man. Kenneth says 6 people at Walmart today in Virginia due to turkey prices. Not funny, but yes, 6 killed at Walmart today. Coming to himself out, had to do with prices, holiday shoppers set. My gosh, dude. It's a wild story, man. Why the heck would you go to Walmart? Oh boy, yeah, Kenneth, that's sad, dude. I don't like stuff like that. Also, Clay, watch the Pepsi documentary on Netflix called Where's My Jet? Makes me want to take on corporations. That actually sounds like something that I would want to watch. I've not seen that. Where's My Jet? All right, cool. I will have to watch that, Chris. That sounds like a good one. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Stay safe. Giancarlo, man, you as well. Coffee cups up, Pudgy. Yes, when I drink, you guys can drink too. Patrick authorizes the hydration for everybody in the chat right there. Pat, man, thank you for the coffee, and Pudge and Danelle drinking as well. Yeah, dude, D's, that is crazy, man, isn't it? Makes me not want to go to Walmart. Actually, makes me not even want to go to Joann Fabrics and get get some more shirts or anything after seeing stuff like that, man. I ain't trying to holiday shop with these nuts. Remember that story in the 90s when I was a kid? The Where's My Jet thing? Or are you talking something else, Sean? I don't know which one Sean's talking about there. A little bit of a market update, guys. Things may be curling back over a little bit for AMC, up 6% at the moment. But nonetheless, throwing a couple red lines on there. Shiba Inu coin sitting dead sideways. GameStop starting to sell off a little bit, sitting at 26.25. Bitcoin sitting at 16,364. Some sideways action over the last hour, man. Bitcoin been sitting sideways, not doing too much at all here. The NASDAQ curling over as well, starting to hit some new lows on the day, I believe. Yeah, I think it's going to be new lows on the day. I don't know where it opened up. Today. Sitting up 0.25% at the moment, 11,200 points on the NASDAQ. BR Therapeutics is down slightly. AMC, like we say, curling. Ethereum, Shiba, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin all in the green right now. Sundial sitting at $2.59. Mullen Auto 20.86 cents per share. $10.95 on CEI. The SPY sitting at $3.99. BBIG sitting at 70 cents. Highcroft Mining 74 cents. Netflix sitting at $2.86. Terra Luna Classic sitting at 15,969 points per coin. Not a lot of action there at all. QQQ sitting 0.15% higher. And Ape sitting down 8% on the day at $1.15 at the moment. After touching some $1.12 lows today. Trying to bounce its way back a little bit, but $1.15 still very low on AMC's Ape right there. Tough market, man. My goodness. Patrick! Thank you for the super chat. Chris, man, you got some toilet paper because you want to be poo rich, man. If you just got that chart out there, Patrick's got you covered. Chris, man, check out that super sticker from Pat. Pat, thank you very much for the super chat. It's actually a good one. Chris, you're good to go, man. You're good to go. Patrick got you covered, dude. Let's see. The Jet story. Gotcha, Sean. Yeah, I have to see that, man. I haven't seen that movie, and I don't even know the story. Let's see. Crap. Diamond hands. Not hand diamonds. Crapping diamond hands, not hand diamonds. Wow, I like it, Chris. I think I like it, man. I actually don't even know. Someone wanted to check my receipt at Walmart earlier. I got annoyed because they're literally a worker right next to me watching, and a lady still wanted to check my stuff. Self-checkout? Is that what it was with the self-checkout? Dude, listen, I don't get it, man. I don't get why they got to put people up there. You know, you got places like Sam's Club, too. You don't even need to go to a checkout anymore, dude. You just check out with your phone while you're shopping. Yeah, I don't know. We trust you, but we don't trust you. And the crazy thing is, like, they can't even say anything if you're stealing it either. They just have to let you steal it. Like, they literally can't even stop you from stealing it. So you guys know my thoughts on stealing. I'm not saying go steal anything, but why even check, man? Why even check if you can't stop them from stealing it? JB did make it. What's going on, JB? Glad to have you in here. I gotta run, guys. See you at 3. Miguel, man. Enjoy your afternoon. Thank you very much for being in here. Self-checkout is putting people out of work. Yeah. I don't really have a problem with self-checkout, though. I really don't. Massive head and shoulders on the SPY and Apple on the 5-minute, and UVXY looking for a double top on the same chart. Let's check out the SPY. See what we got going on. I believe it's the 5-minute you're saying here. Yeah, you could have a decent head and shoulders forming right here. I think that's what you're talking about, right? This being a shoulder? I think that's what you're talking about. What does Apple look like? I imagine Apple's probably following the SPY pretty closely. Gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Look at Apple's monthly chart. Gosh. Oh, could you guys imagine getting Apple back in 1990 for 3 cents? Oh my gosh. 3 cents to $150. Gosh. Oh my gosh. That's some crypto. 1 cent. 1 cent back in 1982. I wasn't back far enough, man. Could you imagine going from a penny to $150? Wow. Dude, look how many shares were traded back in the 80s. 24 billion shares a day in that penny range. Holy crap. Just imagine riding Apple from a penny to $150 bucks, and they tell us we can't do it in the crypto space. Oh my goodness. When will they learn, my friends? When will they learn? I do not know. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, "Hoorah! Let's get poo rich, so we need lots of toilet paper. Special hat tip fund to Chris." Nice, man. Tipping our hats to you, Chris. We're getting poo rich, baby. So we get all of the toilet paper that we will ever need. Fatman, thank you very much for that. And Chris, thank you very much. Tipping our hats to you, man, for coming up with this new fund right there. Thank you very much, Pat and Chris, on that one. Loving it, guys. We got the SPY curling over. What is Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin's still sitting flat right now. D's, thank you very much, D's, for the... Ooh, look at that clean peach. D's, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh my goodness, isn't that penny accounting for a bunch of stock splits? Yes, it is, JB. Yes, it is. So it wasn't actually trading at a penny back then. The price is reduced to a penny, right? But nonetheless, the value is still there. So the value did grow from that 1 penny to the $150 that it's trading at right now. It just wasn't actually at a penny. The price reduced because the stock has split. But you still did make those gains. You still made the gains from a penny to $150. Let's see. How is it 1 o'clock? Oh, guys, it's 1 o'clock. This is crazy. I identify as a paid for everything customer. There you go, Pudgy, so they can't do anything about it right now. Guys, get your name in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs. We will be back in the afternoon. Absolutely loving it today. Anybody who doesn't come back in the afternoon, happy Thanksgiving to you guys. We will not be live streaming tomorrow. We will not be live streaming tomorrow on Thanksgiving. You will have videos tomorrow, but no live streams tomorrow. So I appreciate everybody for being in here, and we'll do these shout-outs, and we'll be back this afternoon, man. Danelle, Pudgy, shout-out to you guys. Roulette Wheel, D's, Pat, 1776, JB, Pudgy, D's, man. Thank you for that peach. We got Pat, Kenneth, Danelle, Sean, Old Rounder, Chris, Jet, not working. Getting a long story short shirt that says, Pooh Rich since the fall of 72. I like it. Chris, that's actually not a bad idea. Traveling Turtle, see you later, man. Is Crow going to make any pump? Crow could pump, okay? Crow could pump when people begin to gain faith in the cryptocurrency exchanges once more. I think a lot of people are very nervous about these centralized exchanges right now, and that's causing the price declines. But one day, again, yes, I do believe it'll pump. Gorilla and Victor, see you later. Killer Page, Hemi Live, D's, Anthony, Pat, peace out to you, man. I don't know who else we got in here right now, but if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.